will think.
Yeah, you have it.
It was one of those weird moments when I was up there. I was like, I'm hugging the rock.
Yeah.
I'm hugging the rock.
You were one with the round.
Nice. Come on, Jimmy.
Get that. A boost up the wall.
Low key. Yep, it's there.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Oh, you're almost actually. No, just a little more into the wall, but you had the height right. The height was right. You got it.
Was that higher? Do I need to be higher or what?
You see to move it more.
Left finger and three finger and just go.
Yeah, there you go.
Because or else the spin's
Oh, my finger got stuck.
Oh no.
That's good, yeah.
Not the jam.
The jam. Literally finger lock.
Those crack lemon, bro.
What the fuck are you pinching?
He's jamming his fingers in the side wall.
I actually got stuck. Just dax. Come on.
See, watching Jaren struggle got me scared, Loki.
Come on.
Come on,
I'm
Jaren.
just climbing it wrong.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a bit.
You're good, you got it. I believe you.
Come on.
Come on, Jaren.
Believe it.
Yeah.
There you go.